Hello friends! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will prepare a homemade mask recipe for wrinkles on the face and around the eyes. Dear friends, if you are interested in natural recipes that you can make at home, subscribe to the channel. Also, press the bell icon to receive new videos. To prepare our recipe today, we need instant coffee. Instant coffee. Instant coffee helps to wake up the skin. It refreshes the skin and helps to make the skin surface appear smoother. Coffee helps to make the skin tone appear more vibrant and reduces the appearance of fatigue. For this recipe, we also need cucumber. Cucumber juice deeply moisturizes the skin and gives a pleasant coolness to the face. It soothes the skin and helps to make the face look softer and clearer. Cucumber enhances the natural radiance of the skin. For this recipe, we also need aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera softens the skin and makes it smooth. Gives relief to the skin and helps to make the face look clearer. Aloe vera improves the natural appearance of the skin. For this recipe, we also need honey. Honey nourishes the skin and makes it soft. It helps to retain moisture in the skin and make the face look smoother and healthier. Honey gives the face a natural glow. For this recipe, we also need 2 drops of almond oil. Almond oil. Almond oil softens the skin and makes it silky smooth. It helps to make the face look more well-groomed and healthy. How to use. Mix everything well. Apply a thin layer to the face. Apply a thin layer to the eye area. Leave for 10 to 12 minutes. Rinse carefully with warm water. No more than 2 times a week. Very important warning. Do not get coffee in the eyes. Do not rub hard. Test on the wrist first. Best time is in the evening.